What's up, beautiful physics people? It's Jenkins here. This is week 7. It's 2 weeks to Halloween, and I am so excited. And we have a great week of physics here for you on the agenda. We talked about lines, we talked about constant velocity, we talked about acceleration, position versus time graphs, velocity versus time graphs. We talked about all of my kinematic equations for motion and acceleration in one dimension, right? We talked all about that. We did the graphs. Every single week you've done a catalyst, which is a review from the last week's material, and a quick check, a quiz over this week's material. Ladies and gentlemen, you have the same thing again this week. It's gonna be amazing. But you cannot do this material, right? Unless you actually read the agenda. All right. So if you're a virtual learner, or if you're an at-school learner who is just, sort of lost in the sauce, all you have to do is look at the agenda. It's not English or social studies or PE or art. You can't just click on the assignment and pencil whip it and get it done. I'm sorry, but you're just not going to magically know this physics that I'm talking about. This is big boy, big girl stuff. This is big brain material. Go and read the agenda. I record videos for you. I try my best to make it interesting, and I know it's interesting. It's awesome. You should love it. But you can't learn it unless you actually follow the agenda. So what I'm saying is, this week we have our catalyst. That is a review from last week's material. Those equations, right? Acceleration, final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Or acceleration is final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared over 2 times displacement. Or distance or displacement is equal to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. How do I know them? Because I'm the physics teacher. How do you know them? Because they're on your agenda. And they'll be on your test, and they'll be everywhere. You don't have to memorize them like I do. All you have to do is know how to find them, know how to use them. It's there for you. It's easy. I taught you my method. If you are not following the agenda, you don't know how to use them. You don't even know that they exist. You will not pass this class. And that's my next point. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, please don't fail this first semester and have to take semester 1 physics and reconnect. It is so difficult. Please don't do that. Follow along with me. Put in the work. I make it easy. Let's go. This week, we're talking about a whole new type of kinematic motion. Now it's not in one direction, right? It's not in one dimension this way. It's in another dimension and adds this way. So we're going to be talking about something like this. And we're going to be talking about a cool story in the Bible and another ancient mythical weapon. Whoosh. Don't miss it. Please come to class. If you are a in-person learner, online learners, follow the agenda. Please do not go to your grade book and try to click through activities. You're not going to know it. Stop wasting my time and your time. Follow the agenda for this week. This is week 7 of physics, and I cannot wait to see you soon. Click the link below to start your catalyst. Let's go.